Hi, this is Obi again. In this video, actually, we learn how to use data mouse, and there we have a font page on every data. Okay, like this way. Page one will be the font pages that will be fixed, and page two will be the confirm data merge, and again page three will be the font page. Then another data merge record. Okay, like this way. Actually, the final file will be looks like this. If we see the final design, okay, there you can see there are lots of pages. So font pages, then data mask pages, again font pages that will be strict, and another data mask pages that will be changed here. You can see 708 and 709. Okay, this is the final result actually our client wanted. Before the start this project, I am also very confused because this type of problem I can't face ever. After some research, I can find a perfect tutorial with my quick search. So why not make a record this video, because maybe someone get help with this video. So let's make this with this achievement. Actually, the final result we know we did. We actually want to know how to use data merge, then how to use this. If you want to skip this to how to use data merge, then please go to the last of the part in this video, because after the data merge, then we can achieve this way. Okay, so okay, so delete this and keep this a size of 8.5 by 5.5. This is the postcard design. Okay. Before there are a image frame, and I just place the PDF file. This is strict because we don't or we won't need to change anything of this. So if you actually want to design this here, it's also work. But for our quick video, I just make the PDF, and here we actually implement the data. Okay. So here we can make some content on there. Before to jump, if we need to make sure we have a data merge sheet that will be SVG format. Okay, and there are names like this data, and we need to make sure we are implement the same word. Okay, there are no change. Okay, so if we see there, we can see here we actually implement the data. Okay, so before the setting on there, we take this. Okay, and implement the data. I think the color will be black. Okay, then this one, then names, 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 address, and okay, in large so that you can see the text there. Okay. For this text, we are not to set the Arial font because we need the specific font that we use this font, and it will be the code. Okay, barcode. That's why. So make this some little bit bigger there. Okay, to or 9. Okay, and make this something. Yeah, 15. Okay, and we have another data there as our previous file. This will be the number. Okay, number. I think. Okay, number and date. Okay. Open and here. Now we need to okay like this. Okay. And now to use data merge, we need to go window. There have a layout option and also the data merge. Okay. And there you can see a data merge option open, and we are need to add data file and just select the data SVG format or file that you want to add, open. Then you can see the lots of option actually pop up. Okay, and there are reveal. That's mean where the file we are have we have. Okay, that is the replace, and that means if we need to replace the file, then we can replace and refresh also if we actually update something on there on the SVG file, then it's just refresh, then it will be automatically connected. Okay, and here is the all record, and there are also range. That's mean how many you are want to export at once time. Okay, okay. Let's go to the text. If you see, we mark the text, but there are inside fields are hide. So this will be the important part, because if we don't mark all the text, then it will not visible. So when we actually mark the text, then it's visible. So here we can connect it insert fields, then it will be 5 digit. Okay, and then it will be the uh, this one, and like this way we actually names, insert address. Where is the address? Yeah, this one and this one, city and zips. So to go to city and this one. So they are connected. Okay, and now we have the this one number and number. Okay, this will be the enter. So make sure you enter. Okay, they are connected, I think, because we can see there are less than and greater than, and in the middle we have the data. And okay, okay, we are making uh, bigger form text frame, because maybe this will be the big size, so that's why. Okay, if we see preview, then you can actually see how it's come. Okay, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so they are connected very well. We right now, if we generate actually what's happened on there, let's see. Okay, and so that I actually use the PDF file, and that's why it's pop up. So you can, if you see there, the this text actually mix with this. So on our design part, we can actually the uh, this one be like this or something like this. Okay, so that it's actually not mixed with each other. Okay, so we are connected, and we see there are no okay, let's try again, because If we actually check all of the data, then you can see there are no font pages. Okay, there are no font pages, and also it's mixed with this text, so we need to fix again. And the main target actually the fixed page setup. So how we actually achieve this? Okay, let's cross this again. And here you can see there are just one pages, that's why it's repeated, but we have no another pages, that's will be the font pages. So we add a font pages on the above, and there we can again add the image, that will be the fix. Okay, so I have already the image file, so I just replace this. And font pages, I think this one, yeah, this one. Okay, that's it. And right now, if we generate, then you can see front pages and back pages data one, and front pages again, and back pages data two. This will this process actually it's come. Okay, let's generate to check this. It's coming. It's coming. There are lots of data. That's why it takes some time. No problem. And we are keep the all data. Okay. Yeah. On the left side, you can see there are 1,388 data. That's been huge. So that's why it takes some time to preview. Okay, it's come. Okay, okay. Right now, if we see there are front pages and there are back pages, again front pages, and there are 20. That's why it's very since the data record 2, and again front pages, and again the record 3, and this way actually counts this file, so it will be very easy for my client to print out. So that's it. So if you like this video, please keep like the video, and if you want to see more video with our channel, there you can see there are a another like develop content in design file or in design tutorial. So thank you. Bye.